Now that we're taking a look at conditional formatting, I have entered in a couple more of my students' completions. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight where I have all of my tallies. And you can do that in any spreadsheet where there is a tally or where there is a grade or anything that you have totals that you would like to say, okay, now here's the final count. So I'm going to go up to data or format, sorry. Go up to format and conditional formatting. From there, you can see the range that I took. I'm going to switch over to color scale. And now I'm going to choose my range of colors. So I'm going to start with the minimum value. I'm going to make that more red. Okay. Then I'm going to choose my midpoint. Let's see, here is another number. So if I had, I'm just going to put a number out there. I'm going to put 7. My number at midpoint is going to be 0. Okay, and then my max is going to be the max number of items that we have. And I believe I have 17, which is great. Okay, and then I'm going to change that color to green, and I'm going to change this. So it's the stoplight. Okay, so the other thing that I can do if I go back over here, oops, sorry about that. Okay, I can kind of customize that format up here. It already has that for you, but you get to choose if you want to have pretty colors to look at, that's totally up to you. Okay, and then I'm going to say done. Now, one of the things that I notice here is it's really hard for me to read that. So I'm going to highlight all of those. I'm going to make them bold, and I'm going to change the color of the text to black so I can see those stand out. So now I see that I don't have any students that are in the red. I do have some kids that are in the middle on the warning, and then I have one kid that's in great standing up at the top of that color wheel. So they're only missing one assignment. So this is a great way for you to kind of keep track of your layers of students and their data and their performance levels using conditional formatting. Again, going up to format, scrolling down a smidge, going to conditional formatting and adding those rules. If you want to look into more of those items, there's tons of YouTube videos out there that help you with conditional formatting. And I think that this is a great way for us to manage the workload and manage what we are doing with our students.